it's Melanie. What's up? Hopefully you can see the beautiful outside, but it's actually snowing. It's so pretty. But hello friends, as you can see by the title of this video and the upload on Christmas, today we're gonna be doing a what I got for Christmas, which is everybody's favorite video. I've done it every year. I'm not gonna stop now. Of course, disclaimer, I am so grateful for everything that I got. Remember the true meaning of Christmas, whatever that is to you, whether that's religious or spending time with friends and family. I hope you guys are enjoying the holidays in a safe and healthy way and, you know, having a great Christmas. I do apologize, this video is up a little late. I would have wanted it up a little sooner, but I unfortunately woke up at noon. And then I also, for some reason, it took me like an hour to make my coffee. I don't know what's happening, but it's like really slapping right now. So anyways, let's get into it. Now let's get into it. I'm just grabbing from like everywhere. I don't know, it's kind of hot mess right now. Let's start with my stocking.
Oh my god.
From my grandma. Thanks, grandma. Some candy canes. These things, I'm convinced, can be weapons, but I'm probably gonna use them to bake after this video, actually. I got this from my mom, and she got us matching ones with my brother also, which, I mean, honestly, it's cute, right? But I also think it's very practical because I be losing my keys a lot. So it lights up. No way I'm losing it after that. Got these fuzzy scrunchies. Okay, first off, they're just so soft. Like, I'm just gonna be touching them. But also, I think these are gonna be perfect for like washing my face in the morning. And my mom actually got them to match these slippers that I always wear. She realized the colors were off after, but I think they're fun anyway. And Apple AirTag, which is gonna be cool. I actually used to make fun of people who had tiles, but now I'm gonna be basically one of them. But honestly, it's probably gonna help me out a lot. I don't know what I'm gonna put on yet. My wallet? I don't know. Keys? My mom got me this, and afterwards she was like, I got this for you, but then I realized you could definitely make it. And I was like, do you see this? I could not make this. It's basically like a little bandana wrap thing, but then you just tie it. Not like this, obviously. Kind of like this, but then, you know, in the back of your head. But I actually think this is super cute. So I was like, you go, mom. I'm so proud of her when she picks out really cute stuff. I'm like, wow, you know me so well. She got me this book. It's a little self-love book, and I thought that was really adorable. It gives you advice on taking care of yourself and self-love. We love that. What else we got in here? She got me soy nut butter. We have 6 of these in my kitchen right now, but you know, I was still very excited to open it because if you've seen any of my videos, I'm a sucker for soy nut butter. Oh shoot, this is money. Yay! This is for the AirTag. Oh, this is a birdie. And it's so funny, every time I open something and I'm like, ah, mom, how'd you know I wanted that? And then she's like, I watch your videos, you know. So basically she got all the ideas from my like gift ideas video, and I was like, ha, you're funny. I talked a lot about like little safety things, whether it's like the pull necklace or like the extra lock for your door and stuff. I guess we gotta start hinting it now, but I'm going abroad soon. With that, traveling, you know, we want to take extra safety precautions, so I've been really like thinking about ways to be very safe traveler. And of course my parents worry about that stuff too. So she got me this, and it's called a birdie, but basically it's a keychain. Out here, I can just read this to you. Hello, we're Birdie. We care about women's safety and have created a tool to empower women everywhere. With the pull of a pin, our modern colorful alarm activates a high-pitched sound and flashing light. It comes on a solid brass keychain to bring with you around town, on the trail, across campus, and out at night. Carry Birdie with confidence and listen to your gut. So my keychain's gonna be stocked basically. Next off, this one was really funny to open. This one, she also got the idea from my gift ideas video, but she bought like not a wrong one, but I don't think she like looked at the size. So it's a fruit hammock, but like look at this. It's like as tall as me. So I actually have no clue where to put this. I'm thinking I could either use it as room decor. It's really cute though. Or I could just keep it till I like move into an apartment and then it'll actually carry fruit. But either way, definitely up my alley. In my aesthetic, I will use it for sure. Come back here, chair. From my friend Maddie. She got me this little mushroom because she knows I love mushrooms. I believe. Pretend this is a cute Polaroid. I think it's supposed to hold a photo like that, right? It's so cute. Even if it doesn't, I'm just gonna put it on my counter. She also got me these pants. I am obsessed with this color. I'll wear pretty much anything in this color, and she knows that. And then she also got me some skincare, Drunk Elephant, and it's interesting to keep you looking bronzy. So thanks, Maddie. From my friend Kira, she gets like the cutest, most personalized gifts. So she gave me this planner because we're both journal freaks and we like journal together and stuff. Super adorable. My life is in my planner. She knows that. Look how cute this card is. Insane. And then she got me this little passport holder, which, oh my gosh, it's so cute. And you bet my passport's going in here. once I go abroad. Sorry to be teasing you guys, but make sure to stay tuned to see where I'm going very close in the future. Moving, actually. Then from my mom, we have matching Pandora bracelets, so we always like gift each other little Pandora charms to go on it. And she got me matching ones with her. Can you see it? Can you see it? It says mother and daughter. So cute. I think this will be very nice to have, like, as a reminder of her to wear. We have a lot of matching ones already, but you know what? You can never have too many hearts with your mom. Then on to this big box. Oh my gosh, the lighting. It's because I'm right in front of a window. We're just gonna have to deal with it. My mom / Santa does a fabulous job at mixing practical things with things that are fun and exciting. Got me this beverage warmer. I don't know, I talk about this all the time, but I'm like a lazy tea coffee maker, so I always microwave my stuff. And for some reason, I swear, but like when you microwave it, it just doesn't stay hot. It stays hot for like 2 seconds, and it drives me crazy, and she probably hears me complain about that. So I can't wait to try this out. Probably tonight. I'll make some hot cocoa. She also got me 2 types of microphones, which are really fun. This one is so cool. It like attaches to your phone, but then it's also like a little clip, so you can just wear it here. Say I'm like interviewing people, or say I'm out in the city and I want you to be able to hear me better. Cool. That one I've actually never heard of. This one I have, and I contemplated buying it a lot, but then I was just like, I don't need this. I probably don't need this, but I will definitely use it. It's a mini microphone. You see this on TikTok a lot. I don't know if it actually works, but it's adorable, and I will buy anything that's miniature. I got some fun stickers, which I might put on my iPad case or like somewhere else. I don't know. I have a lot of stickers. You got me this, which like looks all cute, but well, I mean, it is cute. It's like a sink drain. Basically, my hair falls out a lot. Not great, but I have a lot of hair, so it's all right. Especially in the shower, it'd be like falling out all the time, and then it like fills the drain and like clogs it a lot, and then I have to use this like awful thing. It's called like a shower snake, and like rips all the hair out. It's actually disgusting. Like, it's one of the grossest things ever. But yeah, I like complain about having to do that. So this is a nice little preventative measure. She also got me a disposable reusable camera, which I have a lot of cameras, but you know what? I think this will be fun. This will be good for my travels and whatnot. She also got me this. I don't know when I'm gonna use it. Actually, when I'm back in California, I'll probably be able to use it or something. Definitely, actually, maybe in Washington. There's plenty of trees here, but it's a hammock, and I always talk about hammocks. Now I actually have one. That means I actually have to go out and use it. But just imagine like a nice day, lounging on a hammock. It's beautiful out. You bring a good book with you, journal, coffee. That sounds pretty awesome if you ask me. I actually have no clue how to like set that type of stuff up, but that's a later problem. When I opened this, I was very confused, but basically my mom, since she's been like cleaning out my grandma's condo, she took a bunch of her like old aprons, and she kept saying, they're so retro, they're so cute, because I like to bake and like cook a lot. Look how cute that is. I think this one's my favorite, and I'm gonna use these to bake in a second. Oh wait, was that the right side? Yeah. They're like all embroidered really pretty too, which she was like, I know you love embroidering. You'll love these. Oh, this one. It's like matching, but this one's white. So pretty. And then also this one. Fun. I think I'll use this one today. It's so cute. But I don't know. I thought that was thoughtful and fun. My mom spoils me so much. She's actually like the sweetest. She got me some earmuffs. And, oh, can't hear you anymore. I mean, can't hear me. Some nice gloves. Very thick gloves that are fuzzy and have like the touch print, which is what's important. But, hint, hint, place I'm going to will be very, very chilly. Hence why I was like, can I have some earmuffs? I don't know if I'll actually use these, but I actually do think I will, because first off, it's such a fashion statement. I think they're so cute. I forgot the second off. Second off, practical, I don't know, keep my ears warm. And then the last couple things, she got me this, and it's a little card deck, and it's 52 adventures in and around Los Angeles, which I didn't know this exists, but I love this. I think this is so cool, and I will definitely be using it when I'm back in the Los Angeles area, because I feel like LA is such a place where there's so much to do that you can't decide what you want to do, and now that problem is solved for me. And then she got me this little mushroom guy. I'm really like capitalized on mushrooms, huh? Like, people know I like mushrooms now, but he like lights up. I don't think he has batteries in right now. Yeah, he doesn't, but like he lights up, and you like, and he'll change colors. He'll be like my nightlight. I think he'll be my reading nightlight. He's also just cute. I think we should name him. Guys, what should we name him? On to the last item for this video, which was my big gift. But as I mentioned, I will be going somewhere very chilly, and I am a person who unfortunately hates being cold and is also very cold prone. I have like the thinnest skin. I'm like always cold. I live in Seattle. It's not right, okay? But my mom got me a super puff, which is so nice. They have like hand lining, so it keeps you from the air getting in, and like you actually won't be cold in this. So I just got a plain matte black one, and it's like in the midi length or something. It goes down to like past your butt a little bit. I'm so excited for this. Hopefully it'll keep me nice and cozy and warm wherever abouts I will be, and even back in Seattle I will definitely be wearing this all the time because it's probably the warmest jacket to exist. But other than that, thank you guys so much for joining me and watching this video. I hope that you had a fabulous Christmas, and if you want, you can comment your favorite Christmas gift down below. Make sure to subscribe and check me out on my other socials if you want to stay tuned for the abroad journeys and everything to come in the new year, because wow, 2021 is almost over, and that's actually mind-blowing. I hope you guys are having an amazing Christmas, happy, healthy, and lots of time with your family and friends, and a great break. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the love and support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.